Right here I have a 3-pack shorts from ZD that are the athletic wear, so comfortable, and I absolutely love these. What's up guys, my name is TJ, and today I have a 3-pack of athletic shorts from ZD that I'm going to be reviewing, and I ended up getting the black, navy blue, and the gray. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium in these shorts, and they fit great. Now there are a few features about these shorts that make them so versatile and comfortable for someone that's on the go, likes to work out, or an athlete. And I'm going to be going over those features in this video. Now, one of my favorite parts about these shorts is they're lightweight, breathable, and super comfortable. They're made with 100% polyester, so when I'm moving around, they are extremely comfortable, and the material makes them wick away moisture, keeping them dry all day. These are going to be the 7-inch shorts, so when they're up on my waistline, they come right above the knees, giving it a really nice premium look and makes it a lot more comfortable because they're not banging off the knees. Now, we also are going to have these cutouts on the side, and that's going to give you a lot more mobility when you are doing any running or any kind of work in the gym or just sports in general. Now, this polyester is going to give it a nice 4-way stretch, making this super comfortable. And we even get the company's logo here, which does have a reflective material on here, which is going to be nice if you are running as well. And it is placed on the left side, which is purposeful. These shorts also look really good when you have a shirt tucked in. And while this is tucked in, I can show you that we do have a nice, stretchy, comfortable lace on the inside, so we can tie these nice and tight if you want to, but that is going to be located on the inside. We do get elastic going around here too, guys, so with these being a size medium, if I ended up getting a size that was a tad little bit snug, this elastic would make them super comfortable and stretch out, so that makes it really nice. On the inside, you can see that they actually have flat lock seams, which is going to help reduce chafing and keep you a lot more comfortable when you're wearing these shorts. These shorts are also going to have deep zippers on the side, 2 in the front, and I even tested out my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and they fit perfectly in here. You can see the phone comes all the way down and zips up, keeping my belongings nice and safe, and we get both of those on the sides. And then we also get a zip pocket in the back, which is also going to be pretty deep, and you can put a wallet, your keys, or some cash in there. Now, at the end of the day, these are going to be a perfect option for anybody that's on the go, likes to do sports, or is in the gym. I love these. They're super comfortable, lightweight, and stretchy, and it's really practical with the zipper pockets. They got a ton of different colors, and it's great that it comes in a 3-pack, just like this one right here. Make sure you check out the other colors, add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.